how to see anyone Instagram profile picture in full size. Now that's I am going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right now. The very first thing you have to do is go to the Chrome browser and search for anyone personalities, or anyone username you want to download or see the full size photos. And I want to see the full size photo of Cristiano Ronaldo, and then you can see the full size photo. This is the full size photo of Cristiano Ronaldo. If you want to download it, then tap, and then you can download, and you can download it as so that's basically it. So if you like this video, if you like this type of tech tutorials, then give a like and subscribe to my channel, and also comment below. Thank you.